With all eyes on the OnePlus 7 launch next month, let's look back a little bit into the history and understand how this destined to fail startup created a loyal fanbase in an already super crowded smartphone market. Launched in December 2013 in Shenzhen, China, by former Oppo Vice President Pete Lau and Carl Pei. With shared resources, patents, and manufacturing units from Oppo Electronics, their first phone went on sale on 23 April 2014. The OnePlus One. This became an instant success and sold 1.5 million units in their first year. All this without spending anything on traditional marketing methods. Instead, they created an invite system and catchy phrases like "Never Settle" and "Flagship Killer," topped up with the Smash the Past campaign, made them viral on social media. What made them stand out? They created a forum even before the product and asked the users what essentials were required. They let the user decide what was required. Unlike Samsung or Apple, who makes these decisions behind closed doors, and thus resisted themselves from overloading their phones with unusable technology, and instead made a feature-rich phone with a premium feel, refined user experience, and a reasonable price point. This quick success might have gone into their heads, as the next two products were not what was expected. OnePlus left their uniqueness out and went with the market flow to produce mid-range phones. The subpar quality, cutting corners or useful features, a delayed delivery timeline, and not giving the user what was needed were the main factors their next two phones, OnePlus 2 and OnePlus X, failed to make any mark and brought them back to square one, and made them look into the forum, which got them into this market. They took a lesson from their failure and came back with the OnePlus 3 in June 2014, which was awarded the Phone of the Year from both the critics and the users. This device brought them back in the game stronger than ever. The flagship features in a good build body and a stunning camera made them the best in their segment, as well as the segment above them. This road to success was not as easy as it sounds. OnePlus faced several roadblocks, with initially getting banned in India over the legal rights of their then operating system, CyanogenOS. In response, they created their own popular layer, OxygenOS, and have come a long way ahead of the competition. All this from the fact that they dedicate resources to one device at a time, and launching only 2 phones a year to give the best technology without leaving any room for setbacks. We know that OnePlus takes great inspiration from its siblings Vivo and Oppo, and their next most awaited product, OnePlus 7, will be no exception to this. Going with this theory, we expect something on the lines of Vivo V15 Pro or Oppo F11 Pro. Going by the leaks and tweaks, we expect a better version than Vivo or Oppo with obvious premium features, like a better OLED screen, on-screen fingerprint sensors, pop-up front-facing camera, IP67 water resistance, powerful camera setup for in-depth photography, and a powerful processor to deliver desirable performance. We also hope to get the headphone jack back. Ultimately, owning up to the consumers and taking feedbacks constructively is what helped OnePlus survive this industry, and you can do the same by using our sponsor, Feedbacks, which lets you collect feedbacks for your website, or blog, or e-commerce store, and help you build a more desirable product. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Until then, peace.